Okay. So, today I am doing the coil pack upgrade to 2.0s, the ICM delete, which I zip tied over here. I have the 034 Motorsport, so I already had to move it. So that's what I chose. I'm gonna be moving this sucker here soon, getting rid of these, which I don't know if you can even tell. I can't really see, but conveniently, there's already a bolt missing there. Nice, right? And there you go, another one. So, thankfully the kit comes with hardware. You have to replace that. That's kind of annoying. Other than that, the previous owner, because who knows how many owners down the line that was. Previous owner seemed to take pretty good care of it. I really wish I need to take that back and get that fixed. Should be 21, not 2012. But should be pretty basic. So we'll see. I hope you enjoy the video. I got the first one out of the way. Ordered this kit from ET Spec. I'll link it. Gotta get that one now. Pretty straightforward though. I mean, this one's 4, this one's 3. Plug her in. Easy peasy. One more. Alright, there's the second one. I'm gonna end up probably zip tying it up just to hold it in place so it's not rattling around. But that's that. Easy peasy. It really doesn't get much easier than that. So if you're having troubles like I was, just go ahead and delete the damn thing. Just go ahead and delete everything. Upgrade. Alright, let's get to these coil packs and spark plugs. Alright, got the first one out. You can kind of see down in there. Yeah, everything looks okay. No oil or anything. Looks pretty dry. That's good. Alright. 2 more for this side. Okay, well. I took a little break, so it's dark, but that's okay. We get things done. Already got this side done. Can't really see very well, but that's okay. Got all those plugged in. Got even the new hardware replaced. Can't see. That's okay. It's there. So I'm pretty stoked on that. It shouldn't take much longer. Just kind of taking my sweet ass time. About to go get some food here in a little bit. But yeah, pretty straightforward job, pretty easy. And they don't really look too bad. But was getting a misfire. Alright. Hopefully I'll be done here pretty soon. Okay, well, we're all done. Got all 6 of them. Got the filters back on. Everything's secured. Yada, yada, yada. So, let's start her up. And will you just film the bay? I hope the battery's not dead. It has been sitting for a week or so. check engine. Let's go take her for a drive. Alright, cool. Sorry, the video is probably going to be pretty bad, but did what I could. I'll make sure the next time I do it, since we have 4 of them, this ain't gonna be the only time I do it, and it'll give me plenty of chances to cover a lot of maintenance. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you learned something. Probably not much, but I'm gonna go enjoy this thing. So thank you. You guys have a good day.